name's Nazareth Rodriguez, and I'll be presenting my Tableau project based on my experience with this cafe. So let's get started. Okay, so on our first slide, we have net income. And so as you can see between period 1 and period 3, our net income was negative. So during the first few periods, we were not making enough revenue to take care of the expenses, which resulted in the net income being negative. However, as the company was getting familiar with the marketing activities and the effect of the price changes, we were able to increase the amount of cash that was coming into the store. The spike that you see here in period 12 was due to a 3-day festival that had happened. There was a just drastic increase in demand for coffee during that 3-day festival. And so in order to take care of that, we had to temporarily double the number of servers to handle the additional expected demand. In the last period, right here, in period 13, the company ran out of small size cups, and so we had to make an emergency order. So that's why you see the sudden drastic decrease of net income. So our next slide is cup sales. So here we have sales of cups throughout the different periods. For the first 4 periods right here, we only sold medium cups. And so after the 4th period, we started selling small cups for $2.60 and large cups for $4.30. So our large cups are in the blue here, and our small cups are in the green. And so we were also selling our medium cups for $3.60. So we didn't want to really pass $1 of difference between the cup sizes. So as you can see here, as we started to sell small cups and large cups, the demand for medium cups have decreased. So a lot of people started spending more money on small cups than spending money on medium and large cups. So our next slide here is our customer satisfaction slide. For the customer satisfaction, we had reviewed it and measured it based on the surveys that we provided for the customers to fill out. And so the overall feedback was that the coffee was great, the environment of the coffee shop was great, the service was okay. The only complaints that there were was that the lines were too long, so customers had to wait a while in order to get their order, and that the price of the coffee was a bit expensive for their taste. As you can also see here, our customer satisfaction overall increased from 53 from period 1 to 62%. And our last slide is our cumulative revenue slide, which means the total revenue that we have accumulated throughout these 13 periods that we have been working for. And so here are the results for each and every company. The swamp is right here where the green arrow is pointing at. And so we managed to achieve a cumulative revenue of $559,049. And the average cumulative revenue based on every company that's presented here is $57,000. So we performed a bit well over the average, which is $57,000, by achieving a cumulative revenue of somewhere around $560,000. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a nice day.